Solving exponential equation. 4 to the power x minus 3 times 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 2 to the power 5 equals to 0. We have to find out the value of x. So first we can simplify 4 to the power x, we can make 2 to the power 2x. How? We know a to the power b to the power c, it means a to the power b times c. So 4 we can write 2 square. So this case we can write 2 to the power 2x minus 3 times, here 2 to the power x plus 2. We know once a to the power m plus n, we can write a to the power m times a to the power n, right? So this case we can write 2 to the power x times 2 square plus 3 to the power 5, it means 32 equals to 0. Now from here this one we can write 2 to the power x square. How? It means if a to the power b to the power c, we also can write a to the power c to the power b minus 2 square means 4, 4 times 3 is a 12. Here times 2 to the power x plus 32 equals to 0. Now here is 2 to the power x, also 2 to the power x. Let 2 to the power x equals to a. So the expression will come here 2 to the power x, it means a, it means a square minus 12a plus 32 equals to 0. Now we can factorize, it means 32, if we simplify 8 times 4 is a 32 and 8 plus 4 also 12. So this one we can write a square minus 8a minus 4a plus 32 equals to 0. Now we can take common a, so here will be a minus 8 minus 4 is this one become also a minus 8 equals to 0. Now we can take common a minus 8 and times a minus 4 equals to 0. Now we can write either a minus 8 equals to 0, it means we can add both side by 8, so a equals to 8. A we already take a equals to 2 to the power x, right? So against a we can write 2 to the power x, here is 8. Now here 2 to the power x equals to 8 means 2 to the power 3. So we know once base are same, that time power will be equal, it means x equals to 3. So this is the one part. Another part, or a minus 4 equals to 0, we can add both side by 4, so a equals to 4. Then a against a we can write 2 to the power x, and here is a 4. 4 we can write 2 square, right? 2 square. So here base are same, that means power will be equal, it means x equals to 2. So here we get 2 answer, it means x equals to 3 and x equals to 2. So this is our answer. So we can say x equals to 2 or what? 3. Okay, this is our answer. So I hope you cleared this one. This is very important math. So for examination you should solve these kinds of math almost every day, otherwise you cannot make answer in examination hall smoothly. So please subscribe my channel. From my channel you will get lots of things which will help you examination. Take care, keep practice. Thank you.